Okay, so we finally got the enclosure, although we had no notice that it was coming. So it does not come assembled, which may or may not be good, I don't know. But it doesn't look like anything is cracked, does it?
Yeah, but we haven't pulled it all out yet.
Well, can you pull it apart and see?
Yeah.
It looks like it's really well packed though. Everything they've sent us has been very, very well packed. I will give them that. But we've had massive communication issues with them. I don't know whether it's language barrier or whether they have bots responding to email, but we got really good tracking information on the actual fiber laser and the rotary tool. But this enclosure is, what, 7 weeks after we purchased the bundle. So, and we never got any notification, shipment, tracking, nothing. It just showed up yesterday. We were coming home from a walk and there it was at the door. So let me see how thick that is. Because this, they were saying that this is not just looks like 1/4 inch to me.
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be thicker than that.
I would not have expected it to be thicker than that.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought they said it was 6 millimeters.
We'd have to measure to see if possibly it's 6 millimeters.
I thought 1/4 inch was 4 millimeters.
Uh,
I'm pretty sure it is. But
yeah, but it is kind of thick, so we can measure.
yeah. Okay, so we'll put it together and show you, but it doesn't look to me like we have breakage or cracking. And it is packaged really well. Is there film on it so it'll be clearer?
It's not gonna be clear. It's gonna be this orange color, but it does look like there's film on it. So
Okay, but the orange will be clear and not frosted.
I guess. I don't know.
All right, more later. Okay, I've complained about this for a long time, but we got a surprise, like I said, and the enclosure came. The acrylic is the 6 millimeters of thickness that they promised it would be. The extrusion seemed to be fine, except for one piece. We had to put a little bit of WD-40 on it to slide the acrylic in, but the enclosure is finished and here, and I'm trying not to trip on anything. So Cameron's got to build one for the CNC. We've had a lot going on this weekend. So anyway, enclosure's up, and while we didn't have any communication about it coming, it did come, and everything was in perfect order, packed very, very well. So this is no longer a brick, and we can use it safely.